Now, the COVID-19 pandemic is significantly jeopardizing the intentions of Angola National Oil and Gas Agency to auction new 9 oil blocks concessions. According to PetroAngola, the spread of the virus has brought about a huge environment of uncertainty in the global oil and gas industry, negatively impacting the main fundamentals of the market. Here are those details of this story and others from across the continent.
The cancellation of more than 64% of the country's planned bidding in 2020 worldwide. PetroAngola says to reverse the situation, the National Oil and Gas Agency should equip itself with digital platforms and software to guarantee the minimum conditions for the bidding round it has planned. The study noted that regulation needs to be transparent, clear and simple, and that the bidding criteria as well as the licensing processes need to be made known by all interested parties. To make bidding more competitive and increase investors' interest, PetroAngola advised a review and readjustment in the terms of reference linked to the payment of signature bonuses, geological data acquisition, and social contributions and others. Meanwhile, at least 500 pigs have been killed by the African swine fever in Tanzania's northern district of Kakama in Shinyanga region. The pigs have been killed since the African swine fever, a highly contagious hemorrhagic viral disease of domestic and wild pigs, broke out in late December 2020. District authorities banned sales of pork after surveys showed that the disease was spreading like wildfire. In March 2018, more than 900 pigs were killed by the African swine fever in southern Tanzania's region of Ruvuma. Finally, the Zimbabwean government has approved a hike of fares for states operating intra-city public transport to prepare for reducing businesses amid the new COVID-19 lockdown. The fares will see a nearly 90% increase for various distance ranges for both conventional buses and commuter omnibuses. Zupco buses are the only means of public transport in cities after the government last year banned privately owned commuter omnibuses and instead invited owners of such vehicles to operate under the Zupco franchise. Zimbabwe introduced a nationwide lockdown beginning January 5th to contain the unprecedented spike of COVID-19 cases and deaths in the country. Under the current lockdown, the government bans all business activities except essential services such as those in hospitals, supermarkets, banks and pharmacies.